Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. So if you want to go ahead and try to remove friends on your Monopoly Go app, here is a step-by-step guide for you onto how to do that. So just a quick overview onto what Monopoly Go looks like. So this is how the game works. Click onto the Go button and then it will roll the dice and it will move your icon as well in there. So you'll just have to click onto the friends icon here onto the bottom part so that you could go ahead and try to remove a friend, and then right after that you should be able to see add friends in there, also the timeline and the leaderboard. You'll need to head onto leaderboard for that, and once you're already onto leaderboard, choose friends in there, and you'll need to click onto the friend that you want to remove. So you'll just have to click onto that and you'll see the remove icon. Click onto remove and then you should be able to remove that friend onto your account. And that's just basically it onto removing friends on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.